What's up, guys? Today I'm going to finish the body work, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget like and subscribe. The bolt 70mm. No, not 70mm. Yeah, I think 19. The old one, the OEM, it is 19mm. So it is spinning. So I need to use the plier, or if you want, you can cut it off. I'm using plier. Okay, it's a good one. So it's not the same one, it's not OEM. So to market, so it'll be not the same. Okay guys, all done. All the control arm all done. I'm going to put this cover back. I'm going to do that. I don't need to forget it. So, yeah. So I'm doing the body down here. So this one is done. I'm waiting for it to dry. Primer did paint and one side down here. And then almost there. But I didn't record when I painting. Or nothing over here. What's up guys? So the car almost done. I just bring it up from the paint shop yesterday. So I think they paint the whole car, otherwise they can match it. I think it's so hard. They did paint the whole car. Maybe they paint the clear coat. I don't know how they did it, but it's brand new all of it. So today I'm going to assemble it. So I'm going to put the headlights. The parking bulb holder is broken over here, so I need to order that. So when they have inspection, this one over here is broken. I didn't see before. Down here, if I put it in, this whole thing can't get inside. So I need to buy this new one. I did buy the bulbs, the new one. This one. So here, everything. So I'm going to assemble this cover. Put this one back. I think I didn't record this one. I'm going to put this one over here. From here, again, I need to bring this one over here and put it over here. And then the side skirt, this one need to be trying to assemble it. I fix it down here. So I weld this over here. I'm going to put it down. I weld the bumper. I did record it a little bit. So I'm going to put, and then I order wheel and tire. I was planning to buy a used, but the guy not giving to me any size, so I did order a new one, the tires and everything. And now what's left? What's left? I need to finish this car before Monday. And the fender liner. This one, I need to a little bit zip tight all it over here. I'm gonna put it back. It's not that much damaged. I'm going to do that. Bumper, the light inside, almost there. I'm going to record, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe. What's up guys, welcome to Ebn C channel. Today I'm working on the 2012 Toyota Camry. So they paint the whole car, not the whole car, they paint clear coat. It is paint the whole car, but I don't know, I think they did clear coat only. I'm not sure, but they did clear coat. Maybe they touched a little bit. They call it dark, still metallic. I don't know if they paint the whole car, but look like paint the clear coat. You can't tell, there's a dot some places. Some places have issues, but doesn't matter. So today I'm going to work on the suspension. This side was damaged, the wheel, and the lower control arm was broken. Maybe the suspension is damaged, maybe it's bent. Down here there's no gap, you can see two finger can put it. On the other side, maybe it is, I don't know, measure it's 3 inch. If you can see, it's not 2 finger, 3, maybe it's 4 fingers. So I'm going to try to put 4 finger on the side. I'm going to take the suspension, and then without suspension I'm going to measure it. If I can put it this way, the tire, I'm going to lower the car a little bit without touching the ground, and then I'm going to put it this way. If I can put 4 finger, will be the suspension. And then I'm going to replace the ABS sensor. I have issue on this side because it was damaged. Here it is, the part number, and I have some for this one over here. The bulb holder is broken. So here it is. This one's the part number if you want to know. So I did scan the car, and then I got only the ABS. There was other stuff, but I was not plugging the lights. Some airbags I unplugged, so I already put back that one, and then now it's fine. Tire sensor, the tires not have it. I have tire wheels. I didn't buy the 4 wheels. I did buy only one. The guy didn't give me, he gave me too late, so I already got this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, to take the suspension, you take these 3 bolts. It is 40mm. I will take that one before, and you take this brake holder. It is 12mm, 10mm. Okay, this one's 22, and then this one's 19. This one's 5. So see, already this one is already taken off before. So if this one's OEM, I don't know the size. This one's aftermarket, so I think I did it before. So maybe I can check it out other my video. Yeah, I might include it inside here. So this one's the ABS sensor. I'm going to replace it. I'm going to detach that. And then there's 10mm for the ABS down here. I don't know, down here. And then the unplugging is down here. Inside here, it's not that much hard. So you need to hold it from the control arm by the jack. Otherwise, you don't need to go all the way down. It might not go down, but if you hold it, it'll be good. And then put under here a wood. It'll be good. I'm going to use this wood. And then I'll put the jack down here. Okay, so now I'm going to take it down here, the 19mm, and then the 5 one, and just to hold it. You can use gun if this one's not going to spin. You don't need to, so you need to be careful. You don't need to cut the boot for the axle. Down here. Okay guys, so I put my hand, it's 4, and then over here will be 3, so the inside, so I need to adjust the steering wheel over there. Adjustments, I did touch that one, so I need to bring the inside, so I touched that one, I just bring it out that one, so I'm going to put it back. So the suspension, I think it will be damaged somewhere, so I need to figure out where it is. Let me bring it down here, let me see. Today I'm not going to replace the ABS, because first I need to figure out this one. After I finish, that was the easy one. Okay, so where's the damaged part? Well, at least it's hard to see, so I'm going to figure out, and then I will let you know. Okay guys, so I don't know where the suspension is damaged. If I bring it like this, maybe I will tell. Oh, I can tell. So replace the suspension. So I'll let you know where it's damaged. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the suspension back, and then I'm going to take the bolt from here. My tools, if I buy different tools from here to hold it, I have different tools, but I don't know how to use it. Sometimes it works, something happened, I never used it, and then it's not going down, so I'm going to put it in the car, and then I'm going to jack it, hold it, and then I'm going to take this bolt, the bigger bolt, and then now I can take it off. But to put it back, you need to have the tool. Sometimes you can use it, depends. Okay, let me do that. If you have the tools, it'll be easier. Yeah, this one should be easier if I didn't take it off before. So let me take it off. So I just hold it by jack. Now I'm taking from here. It is 90 millimeter. So the impact one doesn't get in over here. I'm using this one. I put the 40 millimeter. Yeah. What's up guys? So I got the suspension is here. So I didn't buy the whole thing. If you buy the whole thing, just put it on, it's easy. Now if you need to squeeze this spring, otherwise it doesn't get in. So now I'm going to take this rubber off and put it on here, and then I will try without any tool, only with the jack. I'm going to bolt it in over here and put it side here. So this one's not the whole circle, so this one half circle. So you need to match inside here, otherwise you can't put it in. So how I take it off, I'm going to put it back without the tool. Only the jack I need. The jack have old, so it's not working that much. And then I'm going to press the ABS sensor, and then going to erase the code. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, it might work or not, we'll see how it goes. Okay, first of all, go from here, I think. So it doesn't work, so I need to use the tool. What's up guys, so I got the spring, and then I did get the tools. Yesterday I was trying to put it on without the tool, but it's not working. So I got the tool to
for the spring to squeeze it. This one I got it today. Yesterday I ordered it. I got it today. So over here, the new spring. So I put the rubber back over here on the new one, the old one over here. So spin around here. You can't tell, so we're going to see if spin or not now. Moment of truth. So now I'm going to squeeze it by this one. I'll put the link down below if you want to buy this one. So it is 22. So I'm going to use it down here. I think from here, or from here. So I'll try. I never used this one. This is my first time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Put it like this one back over here. This, and leave it down here. Okay guys, so now I just finished everything. I'm going to put it back. Hopefully the issue will be fixed. First I'm going to put the 3 bolts in the over there. It'll be harder.